Hi everyone, today we're making one of the most classic Chinese home dishes, tomato and egg stir fry. It's sweet, tangy, and loved by everyone. If you are new to Chinese cooking, this is a perfect first dish to try. I've got 5 small tomatoes here, about 400 grams, and 4 eggs. First, we're peeling the tomatoes. Make a cross on the skin. Drop them into boiling water for 30 seconds. Then take them out and peel off the skins. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Now crack the eggs into a bowl. Add 1 gram of salt, 30 grams of water. That little bit of water makes the eggs extra soft and silky. I've also prepared some chopped scallions and slices of ginger. Let's cook the eggs first. Heat some oil, pour in the eggs, and let them set for a moment before stirring. Once they start to set, gently fold them until fully cooked. Then take them out. For the tomatoes, toss in the ginger, stir fry for a few seconds, then add the tomatoes. Cook over medium heat until they get juicy. Season with 4 grams of salt and 7 grams of sugar. Now bring the eggs back in, stir them together. Let it cook for 1 more minute so the eggs soak up all that tomato goodness. Sprinkle with scallions and we were done. This dish is sweet, tangy, and full of juice, perfect with a bowl of rice. Give it a try, and you might just fall in love with Chinese home cooking. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more. See you next time.